Everything you should know about the Ducati 959 Panigale. Ducati is among the industry's exceptional motorcycle brands so far. The brand has quite a history and is also attached to some of the most legendary sporting bikes in Italy. Among them, are the Diavel, the Streetfighter, the Supersport, the Hypermotard, and the Multistrada. The most popular motorcycle carrying the Ducati badge is the Panigale model. Named after the manufacturing town of Borgo, the Panigale line established its roots a while ago. The first Panigale scrambler was the 899 Panigale. This model made its debut in back 2013 and offered a Superquadro engine, a groundbreaking and one-of-a-kind super powertrain. Other main highlights were the airbox chassis as well as a long list of electronics. In 2016, the 959 Panigale badge name emerged, and unlike its predecessor, the 959 offered so much more. It was set to sway the motorcycle segment. Ducati designed the 959 models to follow the tough Euro 4 noise and emissions laws. It came with a new 955cc motor packed with internal mods. This gave the 959 Panigale an extra impulse of 9 HP and 6.2 pound-feet of torque over the preceding 899 Panigale. Ducati also gave the 959 Panigale new exhausts and an advanced sound muffling system for its motor. This added more weight but improved its performance and driving experience. It also featured safety equipment, such as the Bosch ABS 9 megapixels and the Ducati traction control system. New additions were the slipper clutch, Superleggera foot pegs, a lower swingarm spot, and a 1299 style bodywork for the baby Panigale. The 959 Panigale is a reliable and affordable Ducati motorcycle produced from 2016 through 2020. Even after its demise, the 959 Panigale remains a top choice for most motorcycle fanatics. We'll dive into its design, power, and tech features that make it a suitable addition to your garage. Everything about the 959 Panigale's appearance exudes a bold character. Inspired by the preceding 899 models, the 959 Panigale immediately looks dominant and ready to take on its competition. According to Ducati, the motorcycle's body was also restructured. This ensured that the final masterpiece offered everything a bike enthusiast would call ideal: aerodynamic shape, a balanced weight distribution, and durability on all fronts. The brand designed the 959's Superquadro engine as an essential mechanical element of the frame. Ducati also redesigned the exhaust system. The newer system came with twin silencers, placed on the right-hand side of the brake. The 959 Panigale measures a 1.431 mm wheelbase and an 830 m seat height. One feature that makes the 959 Panigale stand out from the pack is the attire. Unlike the preceding models, the brand added a unique twin-color livery to the lines on the 959 Panigale. The model gets its inspiration from the Desmosedici MotoGP, which mixes white with the classic Ducati red shade. The Ducati 959 Panigale took the minimalist instrument panel to a whole new level. Its dashboard featured an advanced multifunctional LCD instrument panel. The LCD instrument panel offers a sporty layout and a super crisp display, inspired by Superbike and MotoGP World Championships. The 959 Panigale offers top-notch safety technology. The Ducati 959 Panigale comes with enticing safety features, such as the Ducati traction control and the Bosch ABS 9 megapixels. The DTC system controls the rear wheel slipping. It automatically adjusts the rear wheel tolerance level to match the terrain. The Bosch ABS 9 megapixel system provides two-channel braking with an anti-lift-up function for the rear wheel. This guarantees a reduced stopping distance and greater braking stability. Other standard features of the 959 Panigale are the riding modes and the engine brake control system. The 959 Panigale has a 5-star ride quality. The Ducati 959 Panigale comes equipped with a 955 cu. Superquadro engine. This strong 4-stroke DOHC engine produces an impressive 150 HP at 10,500 revolutions per minute and 75 pound-feet at 9,000 revolutions per minute. It's a touch more powerful than its predecessor. The Euro 4 approved engine combines with a 6-speed transmission system. Compared to the standard version, the transmission on the 959 Panigale model includes large diameter gears. This gives it greater resistance, thus improving performance. What we also love about the 959 Panigale are the robust suspension systems. The front suspension consists of 43mm Showa BPF forks. These are fully adjustable depending on your preferences, and provide 4.7 inches of travel. Alternatively, the rear suspension comprises an adjustable side-mounted Sachs mono shock, which gives you up to 5.1 inches of travel. The special edition 959 Panigale course model comes equipped with an exclusive Öhlins suspension system. When it comes to performance, the 959 Panigale offers the very best. The bike's overall design puts the driver in a great driving position. Also, the aluminum monocoque chassis has a lightweight construction. This keeps the curb weight of the Panigale down to 440 pounds. Not only does this boost the motorcycle's speed, it also makes it easier to handle, even on the bendiest roads. Speaking of handling, the 959 Panigale comes with a sturdy front braking system. This features new Brembo M4.32 monoblock calipers to keep all those horses in check.